select the appropriate weapon. Watch where you stepping, them snakes all around, you know they connected. When I was a kid, my grandmama told me I can't go to heaven, so I stopped praying and asking for blessings and started preparing for my Armageddon. Got nothing to lose, I'm all in. Walking the edge, don't fall in. Enough of the lies, don't apologize, I don't understand, are you foreign? This is the place, this is the site. Grab all your people and log in. I'm waiting, don't care how long it's gonna take. Watching and waiting for that first mistake. Don't come up missing, don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner, you right on my hit list. Keeping my distance, just checking the listings. I'm always aware of your current position, I just hold out to the perfect condition. Coming alive, heat of the night. Now is the time. Don't try to hide, cause I'm gonna hold you like you wanna move.
The DOS Soundbox has a classic, minimalistic look with touch-sensitive features. Amplify the sound with a clockwise rotation motion around the blue ring and rotate counterclockwise to decrease the sound. Play, pause, skip back, skip forward, or change the play mode from Bluetooth, auxiliary to the TF card slot with a touch of your fingertips. Play music wirelessly via the Bluetooth feature using a phone or tablet. The line-in function allows you to play off multiple devices. The TF card play slot provides the ability to play music off of a micro SD cards. The DOS Soundbox has dual high-performance speakers with 12 watts of great quality sound. The durable built-in lithium batteries recharge within 3 to 4 hours, which guarantees up to 12 hours of playtime. Enjoy the quality sound in the comfort of your own home, at the office, or in the great outdoors, because wherever you are, there is Soundbox. Soundbox comes in a variety of colors to fill your heart's desires. Be sure to click like when you see us on Facebook, or come check us out on Amazon.